Hello everyone, this is the first video in a set of videos about SEMTools for Excel add-in. This is an introductional video. In this video I'll explain in short what this add-in is as a whole, what it can do and how it is organized, what instruments it contains, and everything about that. In the next videos I'll be explaining every single function in it in short videos, one function, one video. So firstly, what is an add-in? If you don't know, add-in is a small file which you connect to your Microsoft Excel installation that enables you to use functions that are contained in this file. Those can be functions or macros that can automate some stuff. SEMtools add-in comes from SEM, which stands for Search Engine Marketing, or semantics, and tools are instruments, of course. It contains firstly 4 different sets of macros. Those are essential for like every typical worker that uses Excel in its work. Those functions are organized in order that is usual in every information production, I'd say. First, you should find some information. Then, when you found information or you didn't find what you were trying to find, you usually choose between what you do with this information. You delete something or want to change something, or when you know that is there, you want to extract it. Extraction is when you delete everything else and leave what you found. So these macros are somehow connected to each other, but they are at the same time very different. Then there go some specific macros. This one for joining and combining stuff, like when you find some permutations, or when you combine words in line combinations or 2-item combinations, for example, and stuff like joining ranges horizontally. I'll add vertical join also in some time, or when you just want to accumulate all the stuff on your sheet to one column, like this one. You can see over here 3 columns were collected and put into one. So these functions, these macros are for combining stuff, and there are also in a section which is not widely used, but this is very essential for every search engine optimization specialist or pay-per-click advertising specialist. Some special functions that are used by these professionals. I'll explain those in my blog, my personal blog, and also on my website, which you can find by the URL in the description to this video. It goes very easy, just like the tool itself, SEMtools.guru. On this website you can find the add-in itself, download it, install, and start using it. So let me just show you fast some functions that exist in SEMTools and what it can do. First, I need a set of words that I will work with. Let's put it, I want to find people that by address, which search queries they use when they Google. Okay, over here, these are the search queries. I'll copy them and put some headlines. This one is initial phrase, and this is an experiment. Here I showed what the function does. So freeze the top row. Alright. First, let me find some cells that contain numbers. Here. These ones do not contain numbers. These do contain numbers. Okay, does it give us something? Probably. Don't stop on that. Let's do something else. I want to find phrases that contain colors. Which colors? Okay, yellow, red, black, white, and let it be purple. Let's find phrases. Okay, find words, full words, any from a list. Select the list of words. Alright, as you say. Here. Most of them do not, but some do. Okay, black dress, red dress, white dress, yellow dress. These are the phrases that contain these words. And as you noticed, we found them very fast. I must say that no matter what number of cells you will be working with, the code is optimized so it works with thousands of cells in seconds. Let me try finding some toponyms, like geographical names. Alright. Toponyms are usually phrases. Here we found some: Paris, UK, Canada. Special thing about toponyms is sometimes one word is not a toponym but connected with another word, it becomes a toponym. Sometimes there may be mistakes, like Kate Middleton. Middleton is a toponym. Unfortunately, it came in here and things like that. Republic is itself not a toponym, but Czech Republic is a toponym. And all these cases are covered with the add-in. What else? When I found a toponym, I want to delete it. Sometimes you need it. I don't want to know where people find dresses. I just want to find out which dresses they usually find wherever they are. Okay, let me do this. I want to delete phrases, toponyms, with preps or just themselves, with preps before them, so that, okay, and then after that, without preps. You see, Australia just went away. And we have phrases without toponyms at all. So this is usually like it. You choose whatever you want to do. You want to insert symbols after every word or before every word. Let's try something. Put a symbol after every word. Let it be an exclamation mark. Oh, or Cyrillic letters. I'll remove that. Okay. Or change case and make every word start with capital. Alright. Looks like gibberish, but I just wanted to show you how it works. Sometimes you need it. I think that's all for now. I'll be making more small videos about every and each function in this add-in. Just wanted to show you what it can do. Please subscribe to this channel and wait for new videos.